Hi, I'm Annie Thoe and welcome to Sensing Vitality. Today I'm going to show you a very quick and effective way to work with relieving back pain, aligning your hip joints, and helping with any kind of sacrum pain. So you're going to find a flat place on a floor, or here I have myself set up on the ground. And I'm dressed up kind of warm because it's cool outside today. But make sure you are warm enough wherever you are. And you want to be on a firm surface. It's great on the ground, though. So we're going to start, and you're going to lie on your back. Make sure if you have a belt on, remove your belt. That'll get in the way of this lesson. So take away your belt. And then carefully lie back on your back with your knees bent. Lying on your back, make sure your feet are under your knees and their knees are hip width or more apart. Take a moment and feel that contact. And then just take a few breaths and let your shoulders relax, your head soften into the ground. I love to do this outside, but it's wonderful on a wood floor or a carpet. Just take a few breaths. And now use both hands and take a hold of your knee. If that hurts your knee to hold it on the outside, then you can take your hands under the knee. All right? But I like to do it this way. And do not stretch. Don't pull your knee in. Just hold it here. And what you're going to do is you're going to actually move your shoulders forward and back. Lift your shoulders and move them forward, and even keep them there for a moment and breathe. And then let the shoulders relax back. Don't pull on your knee. Just move your shoulders. Move your knee forward and back. And that's it. We're just going to do that a couple times. Bring your leg down and rest. And when you've had some kind of major injury to your back, you really want to be very gentle with this process. Let's take it again in just a moment. Take another breath. Let things settle. Take a nice breath. Slow down. And now let's take your knee again. Hold your knee. Again, don't pull. And now this time, take your right shoulder and lift your right shoulder higher, and that'll take your knee to the left. Take your left shoulder higher, and that'll take your knee to the right. So you move your shoulders to move your knee. And keep breathing. Don't go too fast, and don't make this a large movement. Bring the knee down. Let's come one more time with this leg. So you're going to interlace your fingers this time. And now let's move your shoulders forward and back. And it should be easier to move your shoulders now. And then begin to make a circle with your knee by moving your shoulders. Make a circle. Relax, really drop any extra effort here. It's a small movement. And then go the other way. Make a circle. Really let your shoulders move, your chest. Breathing. And now bring that leg back down. And see how that feels now. Should be a real different settling of your hip joint now on this side compared to this side. If you want, you can lift that leg and compare with the other leg. My leg feels much lighter. All right, and then we'll repeat this on the other side, okay? But first rest, and then we'll do the other side. The resting is very healing. The joint and the muscles around the joint are relaxing. Let's take now your right knee. And again, be careful not to stretch, not to pull the knee to your chest. But now let's lift your shoulders, both shoulders, so the knee moves away. And then bring your shoulders back. This is very gentle movement, using your shoulders. I'm not lifting my head, I'm just moving my shoulders. And breathing. It's so great just in general to relax the whole body. And now let's rest and feel the difference now. And come again, take your knee. And now we're going to lift one shoulder and then lift the other shoulder, and that moves your knee side to side. All right? This is a very gentle way to make a movement, protecting your low back. At the same time, we're integrating how your whole back supports the low back. Bring that leg down again and rest. When you rest, see if you can start to feel the settling in your bones. I close my eyes a lot in this lesson because I'm really feeling my bones on the ground. And one more time. Interlace your hands and begin now very slowly to make a circle with your knee and move your shoulders. Move your shoulders. Breathing. And don't make this the biggest circle you can make. Make it a comfortable circle. See if you can attend to the roundness of the circle. Breathing as you go, and rest. And now resting, and just see how does that feel now in your right leg, in your left leg. You can lift the right leg and see, does it feel lighter to you? Maybe move your pelvis just a little bit, roll it toward your feet and toward your head. Does that feel safer now? Just a small movement. And then take both knees and you're going to roll to your side with your arms. Okay, so you're going to roll to your side to come up to sitting. So we're going to roll to your side, use your hands to push off, and come to sitting. So that's the lesson. Practice that a few times a day, but be sure that you rest. Rest after the lesson. Take time to feel the effects of this lesson. You'll stand up slowly and feel your weight on your feet. Go for a walk and feel the difference. Thanks for joining me, and stay tuned for more lessons.